Is it time to rent, or do we have to fix it up first? That's what we're here in Germantown to do today. Big thanks to my man Kerry Reel with the mortgage link for the referral on this property management rental here. We are going to go talk to this owner and see if they're ready to rent, see what questions they have, if there's any work that needs to be done. We're going to get it all knocked out. So join along, join the journey, and let's go take a look at this thing. Great appointment, great house. Down here in Germantown again, and this one is going to be a fix and property management. Just took a bunch of notes and some videos to send my foreman to see what it's going to take to get this thing prime time, ready for rent, with a few minor upgrades, and we will get this quote out, and hopefully this thing will be ready in a month or two for rent. It is really cold out here. If you would hit that like button, it would sure warm me up. This owner did not want everything to be shown just yet, but once we get it done, then I will be able to show you what we did before and after once the product is finished. So, can't show you the inside just yet, but in another month or two, we should be ready to roll, and then I can do the before and after.